We've just finished our breakfast. Our travel to Chikmagalur.
Are we going ahead?
Yeah, he's our foreigner friend from Russia. He's our Russian friend. Meet our close friend all the way from Goa, Mr. Bakar. Our Chikmagalur trip, guys. Hello, friends. Introduce yourselves. This is going to be Lyndon, Sujit, Raghu, Sunil. Say for a picture. Let's go to Chikmagalur. I've taken a pit stop over here with Lyndon and Raghu. We've taken a pit stop for a little pee. Oh my god, the people have come back, sorry. People have come back. Yes, pit stop is back. We're on the way to Chikmagalur. We don't have any spot to pee here and people are getting frustrated to make a pee. Guys. Hey guys. Let's go to Chikmagalur. Bye guys. All the people were sleeping in the car. All now very lively.
All the people.
Raghu also was sleeping. He was also sleeping. All 5 of us were sleeping. We have an auto drive over here. Yes, auto mode was on. Sorry. Yes, anything else you have to say? He's no work, job to do. Jobless guy. He's scared. Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the On the Way trip. Oh, sorry, bro. To our vlog, we have reached to waterfalls. Guys, give us some cheers. Yay! We got waterfalls. Oh my God, guys, let's go. The waterfall was not that great. It was an average waterfall, so we just clicked some pictures and headed back to the road to Mudigere. Look at the amazing view to the right hand side. It's amazing. This is towards Mudigere, near Chikmagalur. Guys, say hello in the car. Hello, people. Yay! Okay, guys. These are some clicks that we have taken while we are traveling to our villa that we have booked in Mudigere. This is en route to Mudigere villa. This is the place we're staying at Chikmagalur. It's an amazing place. This is how it looks from the inside. 2 rooms, probably 5 to 7 people accommodation. There is also accommodation on top. It was an altogether good experience. This is en route to a natural waterfall that is close by to Mudigere villa that we have booked. The host of the villa has taken us to this place. This is en route on the way to the place. It's a nice cozy waterfall that was there, as you guys will see it in the next part of the video. Waterfall!
Come on! Waterfalls! Waterfalls!
Wow! Nice! Waterfall! Waterfall! Dance re! Bluetooth. I can hear the water. We can't see the water. Waiting. Wait. Waterfall, guys, here we go. Come on, slowly. We did take a bath at the waterfall. It was a lovely place. The water was very cold, and once you get into the water, you don't feel the cold. It was amazing. Afterwards, we came back to our villa and we played some cricket as well. And the evening was celebrated with some dance, some music, and some good time. The next day morning we left back to our place, and it was a great time. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.